Let us have a look at different built-in types in Python. At first, we have the Boolean type, which is nothing but the values true and false. Next, we have numeric types, which includes integers, float, and complex numbers. Then we have iterator and generator types. Next, we have sequence types, which includes lists, tuples, and ranges. Then we have the text sequence type, which is nothing but the string type. Then we have the binary sequence types, which includes bytes, byte array, and memory view. Next we have set types, which includes set and frozen set. Then we have mapping types, which includes the dictionary data type. And finally we have the context manager types. We will be discussing more about all these data types in detail in the upcoming tutorial videos.